Hey guys, what's going on? Today we're doing some pressure washing here on this aluminum siding. It's pretty soiled. It's actually really bad here in the back. Also cleaning a patio back here. It's just old siding. I'd say it's probably 30 years old or so. I don't know if you could see up top up there. The little corners coming off the shingles there, it's pretty molded up pretty good. And then we got this patio. As you can see, it's definitely overdue for a good cleaning. Almost looks like oil down in there. But on this, I'm going to soak it down with a mold killer. Here we can get some footage there. You can see where somebody already hit that with a pressure washer, and looks like they cut into the siding pretty good. Definitely get that on camera before we start. No, we didn't do that. And that should all clean up pretty good. We'll soak this thing down and get started. Got Phil working out front here. He should be going already. Yeah, I hear it. Muddy out. It snowed the other day. Little front's not too bad. We'll hit that mansard up top with those shingles. Stay tuned, guys. Should all clean up really good. Hey guys, we're all done here. Everything cleaned up really, really good. This is still drying out. As you can see, we went over all the siding, we went over the shingles on the mansard, downspouts, left the brick alone. That's still drying. It looks a little bit funky, but as it dries, it'll all dry out evenly. Let me hit this side. Actually just hit this side last. For a second time, it was extremely slow. Looks like Phil locked me out of here. The back siding cleaned up really good. If you take a walk back, up top, all that cleaned up really well. Concrete cleaned up really good. We ran into a problem where none of it wants to drain, so unfortunately we got to leave a little bit of water here on the end. But even down over in there, you can see where I cleaned up that spot where somebody had already hit it. It's always good to have footage of that before you start. Never know if you can match it. We were able to match it, but the shingles cleaned up really good. You guys need any kind of pressure washing? Feel free to book us online or give us a shout. WindyCitySteam.com. Thanks for watching.